Guys, there's somebody to catch the crab. You can catch it?
I don't know. I don't want to lose a finger.
Huh?
I don't want to lose a finger.
Yes.
It's scary.
But why they are not catching this all crab? Why they are not catching all this crab?
I don't know. Maybe they're not hungry.
But there's a lot.
There's a lot. I know. And they're probably tasty.
No, I think we need to do is the one like this, the net.
Yeah, with the net. Yeah. Where are you from?
I am from Philippines.
Philippines. Wow. I must go there one day. My friend just come back from the Philippines.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful. Are you
There's
from?
a lot of African there.
Really? Me, I'm Jamaican.
Huh?
On the other side of the world, I'm Jamaican.
Ah, Jamaica.
Yeah.
Jamaica is from North America. Yeah. I have my friend there. You are a tourist here?
Yeah, yeah. I actually came to get my teeth done. I had a bad tooth, this one,
Dentistry.
and dentistry. Yeah.
You come here for study or?
No, 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 just for dentistry.
Ah, okay.
So I'm flying back, not tomorrow, but the day after.
Ah, okay. I am working here. Yes.
As what you doing?
I'm good. I'm working as a cleaner.
Okay.
8 hours.
Is it okay money? Is it good money?
Yes. There is really a lot, but I don't know why they are not catching this.